Assalamualaikum and hi. So first, before we start, let me introduce our team. Our group consists of 6 people, which is Muhammad Wafi as our group leader, Adib Fikri, Fikri Fahmi, myself, Natasha, Sharul Aizad, and Muhammad Razin. We work together to complete this assignment by sharing ideas and supporting each other throughout the project. Next, I will explain our project timeline. We started with our first group discussion on 7 June 2026, where we discussed the assignment requirements and selected our group leader. Then on 10 June, we conducted our company interview at Maybank Jengke branch to collect the information needed for our assignment. After the interview, on 12th June, we divided the tasks among all group members based on our responsibilities. From 13 to 18 June, we worked together to write the report. On 19 June, we successfully submitted our final report. Finally, on 25 June, we started to do our group reflection by discussing our leadership, teamwork, challenges, solutions, and the lessons we learned throughout this assignment. Thank you.
Our group conduct a poll in WhatsApp where every member had the opportunity to vote, and Muhammad Wafi was chosen as our leader because of his strong leadership, good communication skill, responsibility, and good decision making. As the group leader, Muhammad Wafi was responsible for coordinating the team and ensuring the assignment was complete on time. He organized group discussion and made sure everyone was involved in sharing their ideas. He also started the discussion on choosing a suitable company for our interview and listened to all member opinion before making a final decision together. He also managed the interview preparation by arranging the plans and guiding us on how to contact the company. Throughout the project, he monitored our progress to make sure everything was on track. Before assigning tasks, he discussed with all members and made sure everyone agreed with the plan. Then he divided the tasks fairly so that everyone had equal responsibility. Besides that, Muhammad Wafi was very helpful throughout the project. He explained the assignment clearly whenever we were unsure, shared the rubric with the group, and gave useful information to help us understand what needed to be done. His guidance made it easier for us to complete the assignment successfully.
Throughout this assignment, our group showed teamwork through communication, cooperation, and mutual support, even though we faced some communication challenges along the way. Before the company visit, we communicated in our WhatsApp group to discuss the meeting time, attire, transportation, and preparation. However, some members respond later than expected, which slightly slowed down our discussion and coordination. As shown in the first evidence, everyone still shared ideas and confirmed updates to make sure we were prepared for the visit. During the company visit, we faced crowded peak hours, but we stayed connected through our group chat. We update each other on our locations and made sure everyone arrived safely and stayed together. During the interview session, all members participate by asking questions, taking notes, listening carefully, and supporting one another. As shown in the second evidence, everyone contributed actively throughout the discussion. After the company visit, we continue communicating to complete the assignment. Although earlier delays had affected our progress, we worked together by providing regular updates, confirming task responsibilities, and reminding each other about deadlines. As shown in the third evidence, this improved our coordination and helped us complete the assignment successfully. Overall, this experience showed that teamwork is not about avoiding challenges, but about working together to overcome them. We learned that communication, trust, and responsibility are essential for completing tasks successfully.
Next, I will explain the issue and problem our group faced while completing this assignment. The first issue was communication problems. Some group members responded late to message in our group chat. This caused delay in making decision, discussion idea, and assigning tasks. Because of the slow communication, some part of the assignment took longer than expected to complete. So for the second issue was limited information from the interview. During our interview at Maybank Jengke branch, some information about the bank internal operation and human resource practice was confidential. As a result, the interviewer could only provide general information, which limited the amount of data we were able to collect for our assignment. So for the third issue was limited interview time. The interview session was quite short because the bank staff needed to continue serving customers and carry out their daily responsibilities. Due to the limited time, we had to keep the interview brief and could not ask every question that we had prepared. So, for the last issue, our team was being busy with event preparation. At the same time, we were working on this assignment. Our group was also preparing for a university event. Managing both responsibility at once made our schedule very busy. Some tasks were delayed, our discussion became slightly disorganized, and several group members felt stressed and overwhelmed because of the heavy workload. So these were the main issue and problem our group encountered throughout the assignment process. So thank you.
To solve the communication problem, our group agreed to reply to message within a specific time and regularly follow up with members through WhatsApps. This helped us make decisions more quickly and reduce delays. For the interview, because some information was confidential and the interview was time limited, we prepared our question in advance and focused only on the most important topics. This allowed us to collect the necessary information within the available time. Another challenge was that during the assignment period, our group was also busy preparing for a class event. There were times that when we had to manage event preparation and complete this report at the same time, which made our schedule quite stressful. To overcome this, we divided the tasks according to each member's strength and availability, set a clear timeline, and continuously updated each other's progress. Through better communication, teamwork, and mutual support, we were able to balance both responsibilities and successfully complete the assignment on time.
Now, I will talk about the key lesson that we learned. First is time management. Our group learned that good time management is important for completing our work successfully. We plan our tasks early, and then we divide the work fairly and follow our deadlines. For example, we prepare the interview question before visiting my banker. This taught us that planning ahead helps reduce stress and improve the quality of our work. And second is a good communication. Our group learned that clear communication is the key to successful teamwork. We share our ideas and then give updates, and then we discuss our problems together. For example, after the interview at my banker, we review the interview answer as a group. This helps us avoid misunderstandings and produce a more accurate report. And lastly, a good connection. Our group learned that building good connection is important in both teamwork and the workplace. During the interview, we communicate politely with the My Banker staff and build a positive relationship with them. We also became closer as a team by helping and supporting each other. This taught us that good relationships create trust and make teamwork more effective.
Lastly, I would like to share our last key lesson, which is taking responsibility. We learned that responsibility is one of the most important parts of working in a group. Every member had their own task and completed it on time. During the company interview, everyone took turns asking questions and actively collected information. As you can also see from the screenshot, all group members took responsibility for their own part by discussing the assignment and completing their assigned tasks. By being responsible, we were able to avoid delays as much as possible and complete the assignment more smoothly. We also learned that helping each other and keeping our promises made our teamwork stronger. This experience taught us to be more disciplined, reliable, and committed, and we will apply this lesson in our future group assignments and careers.